My name is Steffen Wöstl. We are MCR Marmor Center, a kitchen manufacturer who operating in Austria and Germany. We employed 15 people. Since we got to CMS in the year 2000 through our dealer Sven Wappler, we have grown together and are convinced with every machine. We have from CMS 3 working centers, CNC working centers, and 3 water jets and 2 bridge saws. They are running like a clockwork, and especially the last 2 machines surprised us with the perfectly performance. With the CMS machines, mainly we are producing kitchen tops and vanity units. We should never forget that business is done between humans, especially the relationship to the people from CMS and its dealer CMS Steintechnik Germany. It's wonderful, it's great.